Hey guys, it's Jerika. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do another makeup look, y'all. I have really been trying to get these makeup looks out there to the world because I'm like, I really want to start doing more makeup looks and being creative and such. Hold on, this wig, y'all. Like, y'all already seen me do a review on this wig, and I hate this part right here. It's just like, just a line. I don't know what they were thinking when they made this wig, y'all. But I really do like the wig, but that ain't even what this video is about. So I think I'm gonna do a look using my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, but I am gonna have to go into my Morphe 3502 palette because I'm gonna do like the gradient transition color look, and you know the Masquerade palette only has 2 colors of browns, so I'm just gonna go in the Morphe 3502 palette for 1 color. But first I need to prime my eyelids. Y'all already know the routine. The Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer C12. I'm running really low on this stuff, extremely low. As you can see, like it barely wants to come out of here anymore because it's holding on. I'm scraping the inside of the tube. So after setting with concealer, you can use whatever concealer you want to use to do this. So don't think you gotta go and buy that, even though it's not expensive. You know, you can use whatever concealer works best for you. Just use one that's lighter than your skin color, that's all. So I'm gonna set my eyelids with my Coty Airspun powder. I hope this don't take too long. Alright, so now that I got my eyelids set, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe 3502 palette. I'm gonna use the color Orb. It's this color up here, right here. It's like an orangey color. I'm gonna use that color. Ooh, excuse me. I'm gonna go in with the Ruby Kisses tapered eyeshadow brush. Y'all already know. I already told you guys. I really like this brush for crease colors. I don't even know what look I'm going for yet, you guys. I'm just playing around. I didn't have a look in mind that I'm trying to recreate, so I'm just playing, like I said. I really gotta pee. Okay, so next color I'm gonna go in with, okay, these little plastic papers are getting on my nerves. I'm gonna go in with Burkina. That's gonna be the next color I go in. Or maybe I should go in with Ada or Zulu. I'm gonna go in with Zulu, I think. I'm gonna use this taper brush. It's green for some reason. I washed it. I guess it's stained from the eyeshadow I used. So I'm gonna go in with Zulu. I'm hoping I'm not gonna regret this. Okay, before I add any more shades, I'm actually gonna go back into the Morphe palette. Back with that same color Orb, transition color. Blend out these edges a little bit. My nephew's nursery rhyme songs are stuck in my head, which is really crazy. And if you have kids and you let them watch YouTube, like this little daddy finger stuff, it's like, it's the most annoying stuff that you will hear in your life. In your life, you guys. If you don't have any kids, or you're about to have a kid, don't even let them get the YouTube app. Because once they find it, they're gonna want to keep going back. I don't know what it is, but I'm like, I'm in the wrong field. I'm on here doing YouTube videos. I need to be running around here playing on playgrounds and stuff, making videos for kids, because kids watch a video over and over and over again and getting tons of views for these people. These people making millions just going around playing on playgrounds and ball pits. All right, so next color I'm gonna go in with is Ada. It's a really pretty like brick red color. I'm gonna put that kind of directly under the other one. And I'm using the Morphe M441 brush. I just got this brush. It's my first time using it and I really like it. Still don't know what look I'm going for for yet, you guys. Like, I really don't know. I'm not sure. I kind of wanted to play in some color, but now that I'm doing this, I'm like, I don't know. I really don't know what's going on at this moment. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go in with a darker brown. I'm gonna use another Morphe brush. This one's more pointed for like precision blending, which I really am excited about. I'm really glad I got these brushes. This is the M514. And I'm just trying to figure out where the opening is. I can get this baby out. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with a really dark brown. I'm gonna go in the Morphe 3502 palette. Let's see, I'm gonna use the color Brunette, I think. Give me a reason. So I'm just trying to keep this in like the outer corner and the crease. I really am proud of myself for, you know, putting out more makeup videos. Because I always said, like, I really want to get better at it. And the only way to get better at something is to do it. So if you want to do makeup, you gotta just do it. I want to use this pink in the color Bori and Zobo. That's what I really want to use. I don't know what color I'm going to use yet. We'll see. I'm really just experimenting, so I really hope I'm not about to ruin this look. So I got that eye cut before it gets ruined. I'm gonna try and go in with Bori, which is this really pretty pink color. Go in with the color Bori, like I said, which is this pretty pink color out here. So now I'm gonna go in with Zobo. I really want to use this color. I've been dying to use this color. Just dying. Going back in with Brunette from the Morphe 3502. Alright, so I've done that eye. Before we move forward, I'm going to do my brow bone highlight really quick. And I think I'm going to go in with Dahia. I'm going to spray a little bit of setting spray. Juvia is really pretty. Like, we're definitely using this as a highlight today. Alright, you guys, so this is how it's looking so far. Like I said, I'm not even really sure where I was going with this makeup look, and now that I've done with it, I'm like, what the frick? I'm just looking at this like, where was I going with this look? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply some lashes off camera, of course. But I came back because I wanted to show you guys what they look like. It's these right here. If it'll focus. I got these from Amazon. It's the 100%, if it is focused. It's 100% mink fur 3D false lashes, 5 pair. I'm really excited about these. Really excited to see how they look. Okay, you guys, the one thing I have noticed about these lashes is they are extremely curly. They're like my lashes. So they were a little difficult to put on. I'm not gonna lie, they were a little difficult to put on. And I need a clip. I need a clip right here. And I need one right here. So I'm just gonna have to look a little crazy to y'all while I do my foundation. But yeah, so like I said, I'm not really sure how I feel about this eye look because it's really different. It's not like something I've ever done before, so I don't know. So all right, so I'm gonna do my foundation first. I gotta put on my primer. For today, I'm gonna use the Photo Focus primer from Wet n Wild. This says refines pores, fills fine lines, brightens complexion, even skin tone. So I'm gonna use this today. For some reason, it's not okay. Now I'm gonna go in with my normal routine, y'all. So I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Pro Matte Soft Sable, same old. I'm gonna spray my brush though with some setting spray. I went to Sephora and got matched for the Fenty Beauty because I really want to try that foundation. I've been wanting to try that one for the longest time and I just haven't yet. I got matched, I think. She matched me to 380. I'm not sure. And I think I just put on way too much foundation. Okay, so since I'm basically out of this C12, I'm gonna go in with my normal LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey. Oh, my husband is here, you guys. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. I honestly don't even know what to call this look, but this is how it looks. I'm really liking these lashes, even though they're a little too girly for my dates, or a little too girly, but it's okay. But like I said, I really don't even know what to call this, honestly. For my highlight, I used a color out of the Juvia's Place palette, the Masquerade. So, but yeah, I was just literally trying to be creative, and I'm proud of myself for trying to be creative and step outside the box, outside of trying to recreate somebody else's look. But so it's okay. Like I said, I don't even know what this is. I don't know what to call it. I don't even know what I'm gonna name this video, honestly, but you know, it is what it is. Regardless, I hope you guys like it. Anything that I do here on YouTube, if you guys want to recreate it, please recreate it and tag me in it on your Instagram page so I can go look at it and tell you what I think or whatever. So if you guys like this video, I hope you guys thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat to keep up with me in my daily life. Also, don't forget to check out my blog, which is www.jerikasincere.com, and my travel website if you want to become a travel agent and join our travel squad. It's www.sisterhoodtravel.info. But I thank you guys so much for watching and have a good day.